Hi, I'm Kristen Korb and welcome to K Nation. I'm going to give you now the VIP tour of our platform and what you'll see as a member. Come and join us and you get 2 weeks free membership to further explore all the goodness that's going on here in the nation. When you come on in, you have the landing page, which is very similar to what you would see as a social media feed. The only difference is that everything is posted. Whatever comes up new is what comes to the top. It's not about who gets the most hits. So it really means that you want to come through and explore everything. See what's being featured, whether it's courses, monthly themes, videos that have been posted, exclusive content. We have the Discover Zone, where you can have, when you join the nation, you get a chance to see all of our welcome documents. It has our culture. We have the features, areas. Our topics are listed. You can see members near you, who's in your area, and what posts are our top posts. We have the member section where you can share a little bit about yourself, learn a little bit about other people. We have every Wednesday, we do a hump day hang, and it's really great. You can RSVP for it here on our events page, and it's through Zoom. Zoom is our connection through Mighty Networks, and you can participate in these meetings either on your computer, you can do it on your device with an iPad or a phone. You get a chance to participate in that. Bring your instrument, because we actually do play a lot of stuff. We sing, we play, we work through stuff. You set your setting to mute so you can play along, get the experience. I record everything. You watch the replay later whenever you want to come back, or if you missed the session, come and check it out again and hear and see what the questions are. If you have other questions, post them to me. Send me a video. We'll help you out. We also have courses. Some of them are paid, such as our Sing and Play cohort in here, but I also have free resources. They're under courses, but it's really free resources. So we have our Hump Day Hang resources full of different exercises, videos, things that can help you with warm-ups and other little technical things that seem to require or beg for more information than what we do just in the hang itself. Also, we had our Everyday I Have the Blues challenge. So you have 30 days full of blues wonderful material. Sing and Play cohort, we're doing that right now. And you can actually see what's going on. You can see all the overview in our courses, which is really fun. We have replayed sessions. We have our hangout on Wednesdays. We just want you to come and hang out and be with us, because it's really, really fun. Meet other interesting people that are lifelong learners like you, and join the party. Love to have you with us. See you soon.